en filantroop Dr. Anna Mokgokong neem die leiersels as kanselier van die Noordwes Universiteit by Sy Majesteit Kgosi Leroe Molotlegi oor om vir die volgende 5 jaar die instelling se beskermvrou te wees. Mokgokong is opgelei as 'n mediese dokter, maar het na 'n paar jaar as gemeenskapsdokter die sakewêreld betree en is tans direkteur van 5 JSE-genoteerde maatskappye. Nou is daar nog 'n titel.
I've been nominated many times and never made it. So I didn't really take it seriously. So when it was announced, I just felt very emotional about it.
Veral omdat sy die instelling se eerste vroue kanselier is.
It's also exciting to see that women are now getting the recognition that they duly deserve.
Daarom wil sy ook op die bemagtiging van vroue studente fokus.
Let us groom them to be future leaders, to take up leadership positions in their future. Wherever I've been, I've ensured that gender issues are placed at a very high level.
Volgens Mokgokong vaar die Noordwes Universiteit goed met transformasie, iets wat sy as aktivis vir maatskaplike geregtigheid nog meer wil bevorder.
I would want to see that access is actually enabled for people coming even from the less privileged positions and areas. I think we must open the gates for such people.
En om te verseker, diegene wat hier aankom, stap weg met 'n graad.
I would like dropouts to be a relic of the past. So I would like to see the teaching methods also being enabling the students also to be able to pass and also to produce students who are not robots, who can be integrated into broader society.
Mokgokong se termyn het in September begin. Mia Spies, Potchefstroom.